This is your Monday afternoon weather webcast update. I am meteorologist Kevin Skarupa updating this for you just before the noon hour. Still some areas snowing, places like Effingham that were at 15 inches of snow at last check. While we've been seeing Farmington over a foot of snow, there were a lot of areas, over 24, that saw over a foot of snow from this system. Manchester right around 9, 13 officially in Nashua. Still waiting on the number from the Concord Airport. Chatham at 16 inches of snow, as well as the higher elevation up in Alexandria. 14 inches of snow in Northwood and 14 in New Hampton. Now, as the snow continues to wither away over the next hour or two from mid-afternoon through about midnight, it is the wind, which has been gusting as we've gone through late morning over 35 to even 40 miles an hour. We will see that continue, so there could be some scattered power outages in spots this afternoon and early this evening as this area of low pressure continues to strengthen while moving away through the Gulf of Maine. Winds will remain strong, as I mentioned, through about midnight and then really start to abate later tonight. We'll be down to just a breeze for the day tomorrow, and it will be kind of in between systems with partial sunshine on your Valentine's Day with highs in the 20s to lower 30s. Clouds will start increasing later Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night, and a round of light snow for us on Wednesday. Doesn't look like a huge storm by any stretch of the imagination, but there could be a few inches of accumulation out of that. After the last 2, 3, 4 storm systems we've had, a couple of inches will be pretty easy to take. From there, as it pulls away, we kind of set ourselves up for a much quieter weather pattern, at least for 3 or 4 days, starting on Thursday with gusty winds and then really starting to quiet down with partial sunshine Friday and into next weekend. Here are the gusts out there this afternoon, at times over 35 to even 40 miles an hour. They will lighten after midnight tonight, and by early tomorrow morning, we're talking just a breeze out there. And from there, we'll be talking lighter winds ahead of the next chance of light snow on Wednesday. Then the winds will pick up behind that again Wednesday night and into Thursday. So eastern areas still hanging on to a little bit of snow, where we could see an additional inch or two through 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. Otherwise, the big story with the sunny breaks, the gusty winds, at times over 35 to even 40 miles an hour. Extended forecast shows 20s to lower 30s with partial sunshine and a lighter wind tomorrow. A band of light snow moving through on Wednesday and Wednesday night. Winds pick up behind that, and again, quieter weather expected as we work toward week's end.